Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two LED light strips. On the left, I got the Leeleberd, and on the right, I got the KSIPZE. Both of them are 100 feet. Now this, you get 100 feet all in one roll. Over here, this one is two 50-foot rolls. Now you have to plug each 50-foot roll into this adapter right here. You cannot make one big 100-foot roll. This one is actually one roll that is 100 feet long. You're going to plug the one adapter in right here. Both of them have a power supply that you're going to have to plug in to the wall. They're a little bit different looking. This one's for this one, this one's for that one. Both of them have an infrared remote, so that's the infrared sensor. You're gonna have to point that infrared sensor at there to be able to change it. Now, I do think this one is a little bit brighter. The LEDs are a little bit brighter than this one. They both have two-sided tape that you're gonna be able to peel this back and stick down. They both have that exact same two-sided tape. The remotes look, there's definitely some differences in the remotes. Now, as far as cutting these, they're both the same. So you cannot cut it anywhere you would like. You have to find exactly, there's going to be these copper strips every so often. That's the only place where you can cut it. So you're going to cut it right across that copper strip. Now, so if you want to cut it to the right length, just simply go right here and cut it. Make sure power is off when you do it. And now that rest of the part you cut off is not going to work anymore, but now I have my LEDs to the proper length. Okay, let me show you a trick on how to do 90-degree turns. So say you're putting your LED strips on the window or a wall or something, and you got a 90-degree turn you want to make. So in between the two LED lights, you cannot do it right on the LED light, but you're going to kind of fold it over on top. Now I've got the double-sided tape exposed so that it'll stick to itself. You're going to kind of fold it over and then just keep going. Now don't smash that down really tight, but if you do it just like that, it's going to work, and you can do as many of those 90-degree turns as you'd like. I hope this comparison video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.